It's that time of year again, folks. It's time to get out your seeds and get ready for a new garden year. The first company on my list is called Seed Savers Exchange. Now, this is a nonprofit organization, and there's so much to say about this company. I can only get to the tip of the iceberg today. But they have two seed catalogs. The first is the company's seed catalog, which has about 600 seeds, and these are trialed seeds that they test and sell from the company. The second seed catalog is kind of like an Etsy for gardeners like you and me, where people can sell seeds to each other. They have tens of thousands of seeds. This is where I really like to browse. You can find interesting seeds that are specifically tailored to your region. So I would highly recommend this company. It's actually my second favorite on this list. Love all these companies, but Seed Savers Exchange is a really special place. The next company on my list has its own really interesting business model. It's called Fedco Seeds, and this is a cooperatively owned company. It's owned 60% by members and 40% by employees. They offer 1,500 seeds and plants in their catalog, and they specialize in northern adapted seeds and plants. You can become a member for $100. You get to take home a share of the profits at the end of the year. You can serve on the board of directors. You get to vote at annual meetings, and you get a 5% discount on seeds. Now, membership is purely optional. You can still buy from the seed catalog if you don't feel like being a member. That's pretty cool, right? Number 3 on my list is Territorial Seed Company. This is a family-owned seed company that offers over 1,500 seeds in their catalog. Now, most of these seeds are organic, and many of these seeds have been trialed on their own organic farm in the Pacific Northwest. So, if you're looking for seeds that are well adapted to that region, this is a great company to look at. Moving right along, number 4, Restoration Seeds. Now, this is a farmer-owned cooperative. They have a wide variety of heirloom seeds, open pollinated seeds, and organic seeds. They've got about 1,000 seeds in their catalog. 600 of those seeds are organic. Many of the seeds they offer are unusual, and quite a few of them are perennial, which makes them a great choice for your food forest. And I couldn't find a whole lot of reviews for this company, but I have bought from them in the past, and I had a great experience, so I highly recommend them. Number 5, down in Central Virginia, we have Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. Now, Southern Exposure Seed Exchange is another cooperatively owned company. They've got about 900 seeds and plants in their catalog, and they specialize in seeds that are well adapted to the southeastern seaboard. According to their website, many of their seeds are grown on small organic farms, and so they support local farmers, which is really terrific. They emphasize self-reliance, seed saving, local agriculture, reducing energy use, and providing locally adapted varieties. Back up north, we have High Mowing Organic Seeds. Now, High Mowing is unusual in that it has 700 varieties of organic seeds. Beyond seeds, High Mowing has a strong commitment to its growers and its employees, not to mention its customers. They donate seeds and vegetables to the community and are strong advocates for responsible seed production. Number 7 is the Experimental Farm Network Cooperative. Now, they are located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and they have a really interesting business model too. Their online catalog has 600 varieties, over 600 varieties, but they also offer opportunities for you to work with organic growers to help develop new seed varieties. They are dedicated to agroecology, organic farming, and social, racial, and economic justice. Number 8, Nature and Nurture Seeds. Located in Ann Arbor, Michigan, Nature and Nurture Seeds offers over 300 varieties that are specially adapted to the short, humid growing seasons of the North and Midwest. All of their seeds are heirloom and open pollinated. Many of their seeds are certified organic, and almost all of them are sustainably produced, except for a couple of varieties that they have been requested to carry, but can't really easily be grown in their region. Number 9, High Desert Seed and Gardens. This woman-owned company offers a unique collection of seeds that are specially adapted to high altitude desert regions. All seeds are grown in Colorado, and the grower is listed for each seed variety. The web catalog offers over 300 varieties chosen for rarity, resilience, drought tolerance, and taste. They specialize in open pollinated and heirloom varieties with seeds you can save and replant. And number 10, we have the Small Island Seed Company. Now, this is the only Canadian grower on this list, but I had to list it because I've never seen anything like this shop in my life. Their selection of cold, hardy, perennial, edible seeds is unsurpassed. And the seeds are also remarkably affordable. I almost felt guilty not paying more. It's a smaller one-man shop, only about 200 seed varieties. Some of the more unusual seed varieties include a perennial cauliflower, a perennial red ground cherry, and something called the earth chestnut. I'd never heard of that before. If you are building a food forest or just into unusual vegetables, you really have to check out this website. So where can you find reviews of seed companies? I found the best resource is Dave's Garden website. He's got 8,000 reviewed companies in his database, and you can find reviews of almost all of these companies on this list. There's also the Front Yard Veggies website, which has a really nice list of great companies that you might want to take a look into. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day.